కేంద్ర ఐటీ శాఖ మంత్రి రవిశంకర్ ప్రసాద్ నిర్వహించిన వీడియో కాన్ఫరెన్స్ సమావేశంలో మంత్రి కేటీఆర్ పాల్గొని పలు అంశాలపై కీలక సూచనలు చేశారు. అన్ని రాష్ట్రాల ఐటీ శాఖ మంత్రులతో జరిగిన ఈ సమావేశంలో కోవిడ్-19 వ్యాధి సంక్షోభం సందర్భంగా తీసుకోవాల్సిన చర్యలపైన సమావేశంలో చర్చించారు. రాష్ట్రంలోని 2 ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ క్లస్టర్లు నిండిపోయిన నేపథ్యంలో మరో 2 ఈఎంసీలకు అనుమతులు ఇవ్వాలని కేటీఆర్ కోరారు. కరోనా వైరస్ కట్టడి కోసం ఆయా ప్రభుత్వాలు చేపట్టిన చర్యలు, ముఖ్యంగా ఐటీ సంబంధిత కార్యక్రమాలపైన ఆయా రాష్ట్రాల మంత్రులు పలు సలహాలు, సూచనలు చేశారు.
Are large size, multinational companies, but there are also large number of MSMEs, and while there has not been layoffs, while there not a lot of people have been let go, in the large companies. We've in fact confabulated with the industry here. We've had a discussion with several industry groups here. And a couple of requests I have from the IT MSME sector to Government of India, sir. Sir, for any income tax dues, at or below 25 lakhs. Of course, I'll submit this to you in writing, sir. I'll write to you also so that you have a copy and you can have your secretaries also follow up. Sir, anybody who's had an income tax who's a slab of below 25 lakhs for the year 2018-19, the releases have not happened. So the CGST and SGST refunds have not happened. I request you to kindly take it up with Ministry of Finance. Likewise, sir, for any income tax dues above 25 lakhs on a slab basis, releasing 50% of the accumulated TDS credits as per 26 AS is something that also needs to be looked at, sir. Likewise, sir, immediate reimbursement of GST dues, if not refunded at least, add the amounts to the credit ledger. This also can help the IT MSME sector, sir. Likewise, I also request Government of India, and especially your ministry, MeitY, sir, to set up a help desk, to coordinate with Ministry of Finance, especially on this MSME sector. Because a lot of states, when we approach Ministry of Finance, typically the ball gets dropped somewhere in between. Because they're not as receptive, of course, as MeitY. So therefore, I appeal to you, sir, to set up a help desk so that we can work together closely with Ministry of Finance and MeitY and demands. But sir, I have a few suggestions. So like you pointed out, every adversity also presents opportunities, and I think India currently is poised exceedingly well to take advantage of a lot of opportunities that are now. We're thankful to you for that, especially BharatNet and the cable connectivity at the ground level has been augmented, is being continuously augmented. What this epidemic has shown, if anything, besides infrastructure strengthening, we also need to be augmenting our literacy, because as was pointed out, Arogya Setu and the number of downloads or leveraging technology, e-governance initiatives, I think we ought to be doing more. I think what this situation has also shown us is that we also need to be better equipped. We also need to do more from the government to citizen connectivity from